Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback to the downside after getting rejected within our Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.03067 and the 0.02426. And at the time of this recording, we have also lost a horizontal line of support above the 0.025, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above for us to expect a reversal in the next coming hours. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, on my previous video, I said to you that I am observing two scenarios over here. And the first case scenario from the lows we made below the 0.0182 was that we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave. So a pullback in the formation of that second wave. Then we saw this aggressive bounce in the formation of that wave 3 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02965. And if that was the case, then we should expect a pullback in the formation of that wave 4 to the downside that should continue holding above Fibonacci key areas of support. And the key area was between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And that is between the 0.02591 and the 0.02479. And that is an area that we have now lost here on the Fibonacci's. And that is a clear indication that we have now hit invalidation points of that case scenario where I have been expecting a 5-wave structure to the upper side. And that now leaves me with the alternative scenario. And the alternative scenario has been that from the lows we made down here, we have picked in the formation of that wave A, so a pullback in the formation of that wave B, and this bounce over here was the formation of that wave C. And in that ABC corrective structure, I have been expecting that we are going to get rejected within this yellow target area between the 0.03067 and the 0.02426, which is the move that is playing out at the time of this recording. And in that case scenario, once we get rejected, we should find support on the Fibonacci's, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A to the high of that wave C. The area that you need to pay attention to as the minimum pullback target area is the golden pocket, and that is between the 0.02389 and the 0.02255, which is that blue target area. And you can see that we have seen a spike into that target area, so a bit of a bounce. But at the time of this recording, we continue to see further weakness in the market. And that means that we can easily see one more new low within this blue target area to fully maximize the area and maybe start a reversal in the next coming days, breaking above key areas of resistances in a move that can easily push back above the 0.03 mark in the next coming days. I also need to extend this target area to the fib level 0.78 just in case we lose the fib level 0.618. The 78 also needs to continue holding, and that lies above the 0.02063, an area that we need to continue holding in the next coming hours. And the worst case scenario can only play out if by any chance we get a break out of this blue target area to the downside. If that plays out, then I will be expecting a total reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June in the next coming days. So that is all that I expect here on the Vechain chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.